Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Every day Nigeria has to be one drama or the other. As you speak, it looks like there's now a little statement tussle going on between Ohaneze Ndigbo and Malami, and they have a lot to say concerning this. But before we go into the news report, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, let's go straight into the news of the day. Well, the legal team of the Ndigbo group has reportedly met with Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami to monitor the proceedings relating to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. This was disclosed in a statement issued by the Special Assistant on Media and Public Relations to the Office of AGF, that's Attorney General of the Federation, Jibrilu Gwando. The statement stated that the position of Ohaneze Ndigbo on the issue of Kanu demonstrated their recognition of belonging to Nigeria and succumbing to the rule of law. The group showed a mature departure from the mindset of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra when Ohaneze said they do not support the use of any form of violence while channeling concerns and presenting demands. By urging the youth to be law-abiding and shelve their sword, as well as asking them to try to obtain a voter's card to enable them to contribute to national development. The position of Ohaneze became glaringly constitutional and commendable, it read, in part. Malami also stated that the current administration represents the rule of law and does not advocate for the for the breach of law. Hence, with or without the so-called monitoring group, justice will be adequately served to Nnamdi Kanu in compliance with the enshrined provisions of the law. He also expressed hope that the group would be open-minded and guided by the rule of law to convey the court's judgment to their people in their local dialects. However, the President General Ohaneze, Professor George Obiozo, who spoke on the telephone, stated that the Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide, led by him, did not send anyone to the federal government, adding that another organization using the name of Ohaneze might have met with the AGF. He retorted when asked if the Ohaneze legal team met with the AGF. Ohaneze legal team? He asked. I don't know about that one. I don't know about the Ohaneze legal team. We haven't sent a legal team. I don't know about that. Ohaneze, maybe it is another Ohaneze wherever. But the Ohaneze worldwide, the one led by me, has not sent any legal team yet to him, that's Malami. We constituted our team just on Saturday, led by the Ohaneze National Legal Advisor. He said, this is getting worrisome, honestly. But let's quickly, this is really serious. Let's quickly feel the pulse of Nigeria, just take one or two comments. And let's look at this very critically. What is the implication of this tussle between the Ndigbos as a whole, for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for the structure and the kind of organogram Ndigbos have, and the whole presidency and Biafra actualization saga? But let's look at what people are saying before that. This one here is saying Nnamdi Kanu won't appear for court for trial under illegal adoption. Malami does not know anything in law and as much close what he doesn't know. This one here is saying Igbos never have leaders. Had it been Nnamdi Kanu happened to be a Yoruba guy, I trust that leaders. It is not so Inca that made useful statements and condemned Buhari about Kanu. And it's true. It's actually Yorubas, when it comes to that. I remember Wole Soyinka openly condemned the fact that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. He said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and tried to paraphrase what said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was abducted, and they shouldn't. The process of getting him out clearly showed that he was abducted. The likes of Sowore, yes, more Sowore said also the likes of Adeyanju All these guys I just mentioned are from the southwest. They stood solidly behind Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So what I said that they should free Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not a crime to be fighting for self-determination. That is bold guys, openly without mincing words, openly confirmed and stood by Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Look, it may be any other thing, but on this ground, you guys did not get him right. But I've not really seen, apart from Reverend Father Mbaka and one or two pickets here and there, no one has really come all boldly from that southeastern side, to stand strongly behind their own. This one here is saying, you are blaming elders when Nnamdi Kanu refused to listen to elders when he was misbehaving. How can he order his boy to kill security men? Who is his boy? But let's look at this. That's aside now for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Let's look at what this implication holds to Ndigbos as a whole. Now, a apex sociocultural group that in Nigeria, every ethnic group has one. That when it gets to a level where they cannot reach out, they go straight to the apex sociocultural group and they're able to define. We have the likes of Afenifere, they're one. No matter the differences they have, they are one. And when they want to speak, they speak in one body. They would have, organized themselves before they make their press release, and it stands like one, as it's coming from Southwest. And we have Pandev, that's the Niger Delta, they're also one. They have their issues. We all know that Niger Delta have their issues. If it's not these, if it's not Tombolo, it is Asari Dokubo. If it's not Asari Dokubo, it's militancy, it is bunkering, Avenger group. But in all, they speak as one. Despite the diversity in their ethnicity, they speak as one. But when it comes to Ohaneze Ndigbo, it comes to Ndigbo Southeast, we have two Ohaneze Ndigbo. None of them is backing down. Both of them is still asking for equal rights. One will make a statement, the other will come back and debunk it that it's not coming from Ohaneze Ndigbo. But the other one said that one will say, I, Ohaneze Ndigbo, said this. The other one will say, no, we didn't make such statement. Now another one will make another statement, that one will debunk it, say that there's no such thing that's happening. It definitely didn't come out from Ohaneze Ndigbo. Now, if this continues like this, who is going to take Ohaneze Ndigbo serious? A house that is divided by itself, can it stand? A lot of this needs to be looked into, and this is generally it's going to affect not just Ndigbo as a person. Biafra actualization is one of them, because you don't know which to what you're crediting what statement to. So somebody can even wake up one morning and also tell a lie, and the two of them will be looking at, no, it's not me, could be the other person. While as none of them actually said it, because they're not in the same page. And that also affects also the issue of presidency. Let's meet in a conversation, please. What's your take?